What's up, guys? How you doing today? This is actually the third try of making this video. If you watched my last video, which I'm about to upload, basically I did the first run. I wasn't happy with it, of making this video, and then the second one I made, and I left the lights on for like 3 minutes, and the car died, so I ended up just spending the rest of the night trying to push it out of here and get it started. And as you can see, I've tried it. Okay, so as I was saying, if you can tell. Okay, now for the point of this video. I had to start it up because I'm afraid of it dying again, so I'm gonna leave. Okay, yes, so this video is gonna be about how this car sounds. I'm gonna get a bunch of clips of the exhaust and everything like that. And so yeah, I'm gonna go before this train ruins the video, which it already has. So thanks, bye, enjoy. Okay, fail part 3. I just locked my keys in my trunk. I was setting up this shot right here, and I just threw my keys in, taping like a bunch of stuff in the trunk so I could have my hands free. And I closed the freaking trunk. I just think I'm not supposed to make this video or something. Okay, so as you can hear, the car is running, so I got the keys out. Oh my gosh. So if anyone has a Miata and they ever lock their keys in their trunk, just note that underneath the carpet in this back little valance here, or shelf, or whatever you want to call it, you can pull that up, and then there's just a little metal panel, and you can unscrew that, and then the fuel pump and the fuel tank is right there, but you can reach your hand underneath there and pretty much feel around in the whole trunk. So yes, hopefully I'll never do this again. the end of the road, so it looks like this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I honestly have no idea what happened. This was just supposed to be like a 5-minute video at most, and then it turned into 2 videos and 3 days of filming. So anyways, yes guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I can't say I had a blast making it. It was kind of horrible. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you later. Oh yes, also, I'm gonna wash this Miata, so hopefully next time you see it, it'll be nice and clean.